Alright guys, we're getting a lot of questions on how to do a water change if you live in town or you have tap water. I've got guys calling saying, well, I can't change my water, I live in town, I got chlorine in my water. You can do a water change in town if you treat the water. And I'm going to show you how we do it. I also live in town, and I'll do 2 or 3 water changes with tap water. First thing is, when you drain the tank, the filter side, you're going to reach down here, you're going to shut the tank off, and you're going to open the 2 filter bays. Make sure you vent the tank. Just throw the hinge in there like that. Open this one so it don't vacuum lock. Now when this water gets to about the height of this weir, that's about about 20 gallons. What I like to do is I like to reach in here to speed up the process and pull that weir up a little bit. Notice we already have our tap water already in buckets. If you don't have 4 buckets or 5 buckets, you put something to dip it out of. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pre-treat our water. Chlorine and chloramine remover. I'll double it up because 5 times the dose or double the dose also helps with ammonia. Now you'll notice if you take a look in here, we got slime and a bunch of buildup. I'll actually just take my hose and spray all this out. Get rid of all these solids that are causing the ammonia. Spray this out real good. So we got our pre-treated tap water. You don't want to put the water in and then treat it, or treat it and then put the water in because it instantly neutralizes. So we're about half tank. We don't want to do too much more than that. Get them into a temperature shock. Put our weir back down. Screw our plugs back in. And then we're actually just going to start filling this tank back up with our pre-treated tap water. Like I said before, you don't want to pre-treat the main tank for chlorine or chloramines. You want to pre-treat the water. And once you get enough water back in here, I mean, this all happens real quick. I mean, tanks only off for a couple minutes. We're going to get that started back. Probably don't have to be quite as messy as I am. And as we're going, before we get too far along, we're going to take our non-iodized salt. Now remember, we've drained about half of this down. Lost our measuring cup today, so 3 handfuls of salt. Try to maintain 2 to 4 cups of salt at all times in this tank. And we just throw that salt right in there on top of that filter. Let it dissolve in the water. Now you notice how our filter bay is all clean. Our bait has no idea what's going on. Tank was only off for a few, I don't know, maybe not even a minute. So that's how we do a water change with tap water. That easy.